Sai Product Reviews. So today I'm doing my fourth video and the topic is about unboxing and reviewing electric kettle Philips HD9303. So let's get started. So I've taken the box and this is the box. So here we have Philips HD9303. I think it's not visible for you. Okay. So the cost of this is 2,395 rupees, but it's very good. It's working very nicely even after 1 week. Okay. Now this is an electric kettle and this model is available only in Philips Daily Collection and it's very easy to use even. Okay. So now let's unbox it. Yeah, I have opened it and here we have got first one manual part, a manual, and this is like, so this shows, so this is a manual, this shows some features of this, and this is the guarantee card. Yeah, so let me bring you the cat. So this is the kit. I think you can see this is the base. Here only it starts heating. Okay, and this is the wire given attached to the base. I think now you can see this. Yeah. Okay, and now first let me just show you the kettle. So this is the kettle. This is the base. But this is the real base, but this is the base of the electric kettle. Okay, so this base helps in heating, and here these points take the heat from it, and here inside there's a machine which helps the heat produce in this. And let me just open it and show you. I think you can see this. Yeah, and every time, even to close, don't close like this. It may cause damage to the electric kettle. So always again press and close. Press, open, press, close. Okay. And this is the on and off switch. This I indicates on and this O indicates off. Yeah. Now from here we can pour. So inside, so even we are given with this filter here inside. I think you can see the holes in this. This may help in tea, but you cannot keep coffee, milk or anything. You can keep milk and bag in it or leaves as per the product information. So you can pour and the leaves just be strained in here and you can easily clean this. So be careful while cleaning this unit and base unit, as it can electrify or shock, give shock to you. So, and even when you use it first time, always remove the stickers. They may cause some damage, and even that is in the manual card. Please read it, and even I will say few rules that have been given in the manual before first use. Okay, now let me show you about the base. So this is the base. So even they have given small one, but here we have given with the feature that we can extend this. So here we can extend. I think you can see the extra rope. So here open this and next open it, open it. So this is how you can make it. You can extend the wire, make it long. Again, if you want to make it small, just keep it like this. Again, the same way. And from here, when after keeping it full here, again when this point comes, keep this in it. So we are done with this. Okay, we can even extend. We have seen that. Inside this lies the machine to heat, and from this the heat is distributed. I think you can see. So be careful while cleaning this. Now I'm gonna say, before your first use that has been even given in your manual, please read them carefully, or if they can damage the electric kettle. Okay, so now I'm gonna read out them and explain you clearly. Okay, it is available in this manual and it is in the first page. It is the third one. So let me just read them out first and later I will explain it one by one. Okay, so I'll read it. Before first use. This is the before first use one and it is third one. Okay, first remove stickers from the base. As I have shown you, there were two stickers. Remove them before the first use. And next, place the base on a dry, stable and flat surface. I think you know dining tables and etc. Please always keep them on dry, flat, stable. I think you know about stable, without shaking. Okay, neat, calm, stable. Okay, keep only on those surfaces or it may cause some damage to the electric kettle. Okay, next, to adjust the length of the cord, wind part of it around the cord storage facility in the bottom of the base. As I have told you earlier how to extend the rope and how to make the rope small. Okay, and next we have here we have pass the cord through one of the slots in the base, which means in your house if there is any electric base, so please plug into it. Okay, next, rinse the kettle with water. You know about rinsing. I'll just take the kettle, pour some water, once rinse it and then rinse it. Next, you have to fill the kettle with water up to max indication. I'll show you even that. So in the kettle we are given with few lines. I think you cannot see. 1 minute, I will show you. Yeah, you can see now. There are few lines in the kettle. Max. So the capacity of this kettle, electric kettle, is 1.2 liters. So the maximum is also 1.2 liters. I think this is basic. Now the last one, pour out the hot water and rinse the kettle once more. So don't drink this water. This is just for the first time use. Okay, these are I have said to you that this is before first use. Always follow these rules before using it the first time, always when you use it. Okay, after that use the kettle. It's very easy. I will say this without even looking up the manual, as you can easily understand it. So first, as I have said you, open the kettle, pour some how much water you want till the max. If you want, you can pour 1.2 liters. Then just keep it on this, plug into a socket or electric socket, and then when you on this is on, this is off. So when you on it, there is a light. See, the light is on. Now the light is off. I think you can see. So this light indicates that is on. When the light is on, that indicates even the kettle is on. If it is off, the kettle is also off. After that, when the boiling is completed, the electric kettle by its own it offs the electric kettle. So we can know that by when the light offs, we can know that the boiling has been completed. So this is the reason why here we are given with the light. Okay, I think you understood. Always be careful by putting the electric kettle on the base, as it is the main machine we need. So the full set, keep it very carefully, and everything is stainless steel. Now let's get into details, okay, that are on the box. Okay, earlier I have told you the price of the electric kettle, that is 2395. that is 2395, and it takes 1800 watts, 230 volts, 50 Hz. That means frequency, 50 frequency we can even say. So this is available in daily collection. Philips. The brand is Philips and the model number is HD9303. So this is HD9303. Safe and easy boiling. So here we are even given with tea cups, and even we even can open it I'll show you that. So you can open it wide so that you can easily clean inside. So cleaning inside is okay, but when you're cleaning outside, be careful. Always be careful, okay? This is available in most of the stores. Even I will share the link in the description. Please check it, okay? And even if you have any customer complaint or feedback, please check the Philips mail, okay? It is available in net, okay? As the link has not been given for it, but it is available in net, so you can complain or feedback anytime. That is available for Philips. This is a very good model. I suggest it very hardly. Yeah. So this is very easy to use, even very easy. I say very easy. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you from the whole team of SPR's product review channel. So wait for my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and comments. Please comment in the comment section below and press the bell icon. You will get all the notifications when I post my new video. So please wait for my new video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye. Let's see you all in my next video.